Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix server timeout error in ARC riders.
Check Arc Raiders server status. Step 1. Visit the official Arc Raiders website or their Twitter, X page. Step 2. See if the servers are under maintenance or facing downtime. Step 3. If yes, wait until the maintenance ends before trying again. Fix 2. Restart your internet connection. Step 1. Turn off your router and modem. Step 2. Wait for 30-60 seconds. Step 3. Turn them back on and reconnect to the internet. Step 4. Launch Arc Raiders again and check if the error is fixed. Fix 3. Use a wired LAN connection. Step 1. Unplug from Wi-Fi. Step 2. Connect your PC or console directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. Step 3. This gives a more stable and faster connection. Step 4. Start the game again. Fix 4. Disable VPN or proxy. Step 1. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Step 2. Go to Settings, Network and Internet Proxy. Step 3. Turn Use a Proxy Server to off. Step 4. Restart the game and check your connection. Fix 5. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Step 2. Go to your library, Arc Raiders. Step 3. Click Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Step 4. After the check, restart your PC and test the game.